fibrosis, you raise the concern that what we will do a patient with asymptomatic. So the thing is that patient with asymptomatic, we will having some history. Then we will go for it, na? If no
family
history, why we will
history,
do? Yeah,
family history and Guthrie test. Right.
Guthrie test, yeah. This is the, answer of your question. Suppose if you are having a patient with no symptom, but parents are anxious about the disease or condition. So first of all, you will go for the history, any family history, or Guthrie test, how it was.
Which population has more cystic fibrosis?
Yeah, that is thing Caucasian, basically.
You can say Jews or some.
No, Caucasian. Caucasian has more cystic fibrosis. Jews has other what is called Niemann-Pick.
Caucasian means?
This Gore Europeans.
This is actually Caucasians. This is Kafkas area. Yeah, Caucasians. Kafkas areas, Europe. This is Central Europe.
Actually, these are the people who migrated from this Central Europe to the North America. So those people, they are saying them in
Caucasian where I've hearing all this thing.
अरे भाई कुछ भी use करो, कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It's not our mother tongue. It's okay.
Anyways,
I think it's okay. So background information: Mrs. Simpkins is a 34-year-old woman who is 28 weeks pregnant with her first child. She is known to be HIV positive. The obstetric team have asked you to talk to her about what this will entail for her baby. So the task is please talk to Mrs. Simpkins and explain the implications that her condition has for her unborn child and outline the future management. So she's worried about her unborn child, which is she is pregnant 28 weeks and she is known to have HIV. So role play is Dr.
Yes.
Rifat. Okay, are you ready, Dr. Rifat and Fatma?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, Dr. Rohel, will you set the time, please?
Okay, I will set.
Okay, you may start.
Hello, I am Dr. Fatma, one of the baby doctor. Am I talking to Mrs. Simpkins?
Yes, I'm Mrs. Simpkins.
How are you, Mrs. Simpkins?
I'm fine, but I'm very much worried about all the issues.
Yes, Mrs. Simpkins, I have been told by your doctor that you are suffering from this issue. That's why I've arranged this meeting in a separate room so that nobody is going to disturb us. Is it okay?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, Mrs. Simpkins, before that I start my meeting, I want to ask you that you want any attendant with you to join this meeting, or should I start with you?
No, I'm alone. You can start. It's okay.
Okay, Mrs. Simpkins, before starting my meeting, can you tell me what is your understanding and what do you know about your disease up till now?
Yes, doctor. I just came to know about this bug during this pregnancy. Before that, I was completely well, and I just came to know during the test for the pregnancy. So I go through the internet, and I came to know that it's the bug that affects our defense system.
Okay, I know this is hard time for you. Okay, but I can assure you there are some precautionary measures which if you take it and if you follow your doctor advice, it can be prevented to a greater extent. Is it okay?
Yes, doctor. Okay, but what are those measures?
Okay, Mrs. Simpkins, actually, as you have already heard about it and you have read that it is a virus that is transmitted and it affects the health very badly. But the basic concern at this stage is that your health should be at a good level and the infection should not be transmitted to your baby. Am I clear so
Okay.
far?
Yes, you are clear.
Okay. Actually, there are three stages on through which the infection can be transmitted to your child. First is during pregnancy, and the second is during the labor, and third is through the breastfeeding. Does
Okay.
it make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
But so
Uh,
time has passed in my pregnancy. I am 28 weeker. So the bug can be passed on to my baby.
Yes, I appreciate that you have quite good knowledge about this problem. Actually, the mother is given treatment to prevent the infection from the mother to the child, keeping in a view that this medicine will stop the division and increasing the number of the virus particle in the body. But if a patient who is quite healthy and he she is not suffering from any symptom, then it is a good point and it increases the chance that infection will be less likely transmitted to the baby. Is it
Okay.
clear?
Okay, can you please repeat it for me? I didn't get it.
Actually, the transmission of the disease to the child depends on the health of the mother also. If the mother is in quite good condition, and it means that virus is not impacting his health, that is a good point and that is a safety factor. In that case, there is a minimal chances that infection will be transmitted to the child. Along with that, the mother is taking the treatment regularly.
Okay. So I
Okay.
am fine. I am not having any problem right now. I'm feeling fit. So it means that my baby will be not affected right now.
There is a good chance that your baby will not be affected because there are two factors that even if your health is good, but for the safety of your baby, you have to take the medicine. Is it
Will it
okay?
be safe? Will it be safe? These medications are so strong. They can have side effects on my baby too.
And that's very important question, and I can see that you are very keen about your pregnancy as well as your baby. The fact is that there are some medicines which are no doubt harmful for the baby. That's why it is advised that as soon as the mother is diagnosed with HIV, she should immediately report to the local HIV clinic or the GP, so that the treatment should be reviewed if the mother is on the treatment, and the mother should be switched to the combination therapy which is safe for the baby.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. uh, should I carry on?
Yes, doctor. I'm eager to know all this
Yes.
information.
Yes, we were talking about the three stages on which there is a great chance that infection can be transmitted. The second one is during the delivery. And I would suggest that the decision of the delivery should be made after discussion with your delivery doctor between the cesarean section and the labor. And the doctor will tell you about the final decision after keeping in view of your health and your uh, intake of the medicine regularly. These will two factors will be the factors which will help the doctor in taking decision about your mode of delivery.
Okay.
Am I clear?
Yes. Okay.
And the third one is the breastfeeding. Evidence suggests that the children who are given breastfed, either direct breastfeeding or the expressed milk, there is a great chance that they are going to contract the HIV. as compared to the children who are given breast bottle feeding. So what I would recommend is that your baby
So
should be given bottle feed.
it means that I will not be able to give my feed to my baby ever, or at some point in time I can feed.
You will not be, unfortunately, and I'm so sorry that you will not be able to give feed to your baby, because after collecting the evidence from multiple HIV positive pregnant mothers, it has shown that the mothers who have given the breastfeeding, they have much less risk of getting the HIV as compared to the breastfed babies. Is it
Okay.
okay? And
Okay, it is so depressing.
I can see that it is hard time for you, but let me make it clear to you that if you are not given, your baby is not given the breastfeeding, and after discussion with the baby doctor, your child will be given some medicine against the HIV for the 4 weeks. Usually it is given to the babies. There is a great chance that this disease will not be transmitted to your child.
Okay, so after 4 weeks, everything will be fine.
Yes, that is again very important question, and that shows that you are quite involved in this discussion. That this will be confirmed after some tests of your baby. First test will be done during the first 48 hours of the life of your baby, and the second test will be performed at 6 weeks. Third test will be performed at the 12 weeks,
9 minutes.
And the final test will be done at the 18 months. But no, you didn't tell me about 6 minutes.
I told 2 times. You didn't.
No, maybe Dr. Rahul, your mic was close and
Yes, even
we
No,
I
did not
didn't hear.
heard.
Even I
We
didn't
did
hear.
heard. Yes.
maybe I switch mobile. Maybe that's why I loudly speak two times. Mic was open. 6 minutes.
Yes, your mic was open, but that's why I messaged you, Dr. Rahul. What is time? I was thinking the time is already passed.
Okay,
Okay, so
continue.
yes,
Okay, it's okay, no
Okay,
problem.
2 minutes.
okay,
2 minutes you can.
uh, okay. Um, uh, is it clear so far, Mrs.
Uh,
Simpkins?
yes, doctor. I'm clear right now. But if
Okay.
I will have any query, then can we have another meeting?
Yes, I'm coming to that point, that I have tried to give a few points to you in this short time. But if you have some point, I will arrange another meeting with you. Meanwhile, I have arranged these leaflets, and these are the few websites. You can go on these, and you can have reading through these leaflets and the websites, and we can have a detailed discussion afterwards. Okay,
Okay.
should I rephrase it for you what we have discussed?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Mrs. Simpkins.
Thank you so much for giving me time.
Okay.
Sorry, actually, I announced 6 minutes. Actually, I'm using this mobile and switch to the this stopwatch. Maybe that's why it was not coming my voice.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, Dr. Ifat, you give
Yes,
your feedback.
Feedback.
yes. First of all, the positive things that you were very calm and you explain all the things very nicely. And first of all, the first sentence, the greeting and the introduction, it was long, and I think the pause was missing over there. And after greeting, if 1 to 2 second pause is given to just to wait for the reply of the patient or the role player. So therefore I didn't get the time and I didn't reply the greeting. I just say I am this one, this is this. And
Okay.
after that you come to the agenda within time, and you check the understanding as well as is there anyone else will join you. That's good. And then after starting your communication, you said that I know you are suffering from this disease. So I didn't like the word suffering. uh,
Okay.
oh,
Okay. Right.
being
You're
a
right.
patient, I didn't like it.
Yes.
And
You're right.
then you said that there are the certain precautions which we can take. So these precautionary word may be a jargon, or and then there are the, it can be transmitted. 1 minute please. Sorry, this that these medications will be advised by the HIV specialist, yeah, or the infectious specialist doctor, and they will give medications in the best interest of baby and which are safe for the baby. So we are very meticulous, or very particular about it. And for the labor, you'd answered nicely that it would be the decision of your doctor and the HIV specialist, whatever the it will be. Then the breastfeeding, you said, you explain it, but it can be like this, that it would be in the best interest of your baby. That if we weigh the risk and the benefit of giving the breastfeeding, then the benefits will outweigh the risk. So, and you and me and the whole team is will be uh, taking all the decisions which are in best interest of baby, and we will provide you support during that lactation period. The lactation nurse will give you the methods how to handle the uh, handle all the problems at that point in time. And then the you break the transmission into 3 steps. That was nice and was easy to understand. Empathy was there, you check the understanding, and you give the reference for the support groups. So I think these things were fine. And after that, after the birth of the baby, uh, it was the blood test, the timings, that was also appropriate. So I think it was okay. Just the modification of words would be needed.
Okay. Thank you.
And anyone else can give their feedback.
One thing I just want to ask, that should we ask for the attendees, because I have attended a meeting. I don't remember now.
Confidential.
It was Dr. Wajood or Dr. This famous Dr. Salma, I think. She told that don't ask for the attendees for confidential.
Confidential.
Okay.
Yeah, the
No,
first thing.
I think we can ask, and then the role player will decide that whether it should be confidential, or he can share it with her sexual partner or with someone else. So we have to to check this column, that is there anyone else. Then it would be open ended. Then
But
the role player will decide about the
if
confidentiality.
mother is single, then
Then the mother will tell, no, no, I am alone, I can discuss with you.
so
Then the mother
confidential.
will raise the concern. Mother
Yeah, the
will raise the
confidence.
concern about the confidentiality, that it should not be shared with anyone else.
Simple word you can ask, would you like to wait someone or we should start?
Yes, I think it should be asked, then the mother will decide.
In this
In
scenario, I think no. I think in this scenario, confidential is a key thing. We are not disclosing. Even you cannot read the file in the hospital. The patient having HIV, only the specific people have the access to these things. Not everybody
Yes,
can read the file. Yeah, this is very highly
yes,
confidential.
yes, but before starting the discussion, the doctor can ask from the role player, that anyone else can join you or not, because there might be some other close one to the role player, and there would be no
But,
such issue like this.
but we learned from the practice, this is highly confidential.
No,
If
no, this
single
is
mother,
highly, yes, this is
yeah,
highly confidential, and that's why the candidate asked me that I arrange the meeting separately so that we can do the discussion about it. And we don't know that whether this information have been shared with her, with she has already shared the information with someone else or not, she wants someone in the meeting or not. So we should first ask to him, we are not aware about that.
yes, we can ask something from somebody else and who has good information regarding this. Yeah,
One more
better.
question on my side. Uh, HIV, it's not a disease actually.
Yes, AIDS is a disease, HIV is the infection.
HIV is the infection, AIDS is the disease. And
Yes.
But he
uh,
mentioned, boss, he mentioned both in the scenario. I think so.
she
And
has
the
mentioned that you have, I'm sorry that you have this disease, we came to know. She used this word.
yeah,
But in the
okay,
scenario, she is just having HIV. Still, she is not having AIDS.
yeah.
Okay, so
But that's good start to say like that. I came to know you have this problem, and I'm sorry to have heard
yes,
about this thing. Yeah,
problem,
it's not a,
yes.
Yeah, just
yeah,
problem. You can say that
Mhm.
this is
yeah,
HIV, this bug that
condition.
damaged the defense system
Yeah.
and uh, weak your defense system to fight against the
Oh,
infections. This.
okay. Okay. One
Okay,
thing question,
so
Dr.
mhm,
Rakar. Actually, I was reading
yes.
through this scenario. Rebecca mentioned that check her understanding. She did all these things, but she mentioned also she must have asked for the medication she is on,
Yes.
so it will be helpful for saying whether you are taking medication that is good and safe to save your baby also. That
No,
is
because
quite.
she asked the question. I don't know, maybe you already discussed, because role player asked the question, will
Mhm.
my baby infected now? Because now I'm 28 weeks pregnant. So at that
Yeah,
time, it should be mentioned that you are already taking medication, so it is very
yeah,
less likely that your baby is having
yeah.
infection
That thing was I
in
want
your
to
womb.
discuss that if mother
Mm.
is taking regular medication, so that also help in prevention of the infection to the baby and spread of infection to the baby.
Dr. Irfan,
So
actually, I didn't ask about the medication because I think Dr. Irfan told me that I have been diagnosed with HIV. I
yeah,
took the impression that she has been recently diagnosed.
yeah, yeah. Recently
That,
diagnosed,
yes,
but
that's why I didn't ask about the medication. Otherwise, you are right. I should have asked about the medication, but I intentionally skipped this point.
because this thing will relieve the more mother that you are taking medication. This is also helpful for the baby. He should not get infected with this bug. So that will be a good point for the discussion and during the sharing the knowledge.
One more thing. Uh,
And
should
yeah,
should we tell that it depends upon the level of the virus, level of the bug?
well, it's any more theory question. And if mother is taking, then if she raised the concern, it will be from the your junior colleague. Maybe he raised this question. How we
Have
can
you
assess
discussed
the.
about the test? Have you discussed about it? Because okay, I think she did not ask when you will test my baby,
No, I told
Yeah.
at
it,
which
and
age,
She told this one.
No,
I
but
told
there
it.
which
was
age?
there was some confusion in explanation about the transmission. She was telling if you are good, maybe transmission will not be there. If you are, let's say, if your mother is taking good medicine, the transmission will be less.
I
Something
have NHS
very
leaflet. I have read this from
confusing.
there. That I have read it from NHS that the final decision of the cesarean and the normal delivery depends on the two factors. Either one factor is that mother has taken the medicine regularly, and the other thing is that the health of the mother. If
No,
she
no,
is quite
CD4
well,
count,
no,
I think.
no.
no,
Cesarean
no,
You
CD4.
definitely reduce the
no
transmission.
Okay, I will share
Usually,
it.
you are right, Dr. Fatma, but practically speaking and truly speaking, we used to see the viral load. If zero viral load, na, then you will go for the
CD4
normal delivery.
normal.
But preferably, you go for the cesarean.
It depends on the OBG team actually.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it depends on
Uh,
the
it
other thing
will
is
so better to throw to them and do not go in very detail in this issue.
Actually,
and
thing is,
And
I
I
think
I told this that the final decision will be taken by your delivery doctor, but
Yes,
he will
this
keep
is a wise.
these 2 points.
but Dr. Fatma, you mentioned only breastfeeding. You didn't mention about the what is the protocol, how your baby will be handled after the delivery,
Means
right?
alternative of the breastfeed, right? No?
You
No, no,
want to say lactation nurse about
no.
the
I'm asking.
lactation?
For sure, we will not give the breastfeeding. Number one. Number two, we will
Yes,
start the medication for baby.
I told this.
Alternative
Medication.
of the
he
breastfeed.
told she told Dr. Irfan.
I told
Okay.
this that she will
Acha,
baby
okay,
will be
okay.
given
I'm
for
sorry.
4 weeks.
No, this test, Dr. Fatma, what about the test at birth they will do for the HIV test or at which age they are doing
Within
the test?
within 48 hours. First
Okay,
test is
PCR,
then
viral
at
PCR.
6 weeks, then at
then
12 weeks, and then
mhm.
at 18 months of the age.
Means total 4
Yeah,
it would be, right?
Yes.
yeah, Dr. Vakar, they are doing 4 tests within 48 hours
Mm.
at 6 weeks and 12 weeks
Mm.
and 18 months. The one
If
thing,
18
Yeah,
months negative, so khalas.
yeah,
class.
medicine will be start to your baby. This will be at from the birth, and this will continue for 4 weeks. After that, this medicine will be stopped, and the another medicine that will prevent the infection from the other bugs will be started. That one, this Septron they are doing giving.
Yeah. Okay.
Prophylaxis, yeah.
Yeah,
But
this is
the thing is that Dr. Hale and everybody just general sharing, because mother was not really sure about this treatment. But after this treatment, most of the babies found to have no infection. Most 90%.
yes.
So it would be quite a helpful word for mother to listen. She will leave her anxiety. If you say like that, after this medication, your baby will be safe.
Yes, you can say.
Okay.
And about this
Okay, shall we
vaginal
go?
cesarean, you
Mhm.
can say like this: decision will be made after the reviewing of your viral level, this virus level,
And
and
OBG
you doctor will decide how to plan to deliver
delivery
your baby.
doctor. That's it.
Not
Yeah,
only doctor is deciding. This is the mutual understanding.
mutual multidisciplinary team. That mutual.
Yeah,
but
this is mutual
baby will
understanding.
get infection, right? Baby will get infection, but he will not be very much sick if mother is taking medicine and if we
Yeah.
do cesarean section. I mean, you cannot say the baby will not get infection if mother is taking medicine. Or
Usually, most of the time, Dr. Hiran, if mother is taking regularly medication, it's very rare to baby get infected. Very less chances.
viral load will be less, but still the
Yes.
test will be positive. No antibody will be there in the baby.
Antibody will
They
go
are not
after
checking antibody, Dr. Herald.
after
They are
after
not
18
checking
months.
antibodies.
No. If
After
you do
18 months.
PCR, it will be positive, right? Even though
Yeah.
mother is taking medicine or regardless of the mode, regardless of the health condition of the mother, baby's PCR will be positive.
No, actually, if the mother is taking regularly the medicine, then it is very rare chances. The PCR will be positive.
Okay, that I'm not.
No, if PCR is positive, it means baby is positive, right?
Infection, yes.
Yeah, there will be
So
very
if
less
two
chances
two
with the
PCR is
medicine.
positive,
Uh, I think they are using this combination therapy during pregnancy. They are, I don't remember this. Maybe they are using zidovudine before,
Yeah,
but they stopped.
They were using
nevirapine,
Zidovudine only.
pseudovudine and nevirapine.
the two combination. It
Yeah, two
depends on the viral
combinations they are
load, I think.
using neravipine. I think so. I
Nevirapine.
don't
CD4
know.
Yes.
CD4 count. It depends on CD4 count, that combination. Otherwise, it will in the use usually.
Yes.
See,
And just
okay.
for
And if
knowledge,
water ban,
at
And if
the
water
18
bag
months?
ruptures,
Yeah, then they are checking this if the load is less than 50 and more than 50 and less than 1000, then they will decide to go for cesarean or delivery. They will decide. If the load is more than 1000, then definitely recommendation is cesarean. This is in the guideline.
Okay, so shall we move another clinical scenario?
Yes.
Or
Who
they
is
give, yes, the next, you are the candidate and Dr. Haynes is not be there.
this is for me?
Yes.
Yes.
Really?
You don't know?
Really? Just 1 minute.
You don't see the patient in the message. Okay, anyways. But I will reconnect again. It is, I think, only remaining 8 minutes remaining.
Okay, we can go.